Amazonite, a gemstone of captivating beauty, has enchanted civilizations for centuries. This semi-precious stone is more than just a feast for the eyes. Amazonite carries a rich history and powerful energy. From its origins deep within the earth to modern crystal healing, Amazonite's journey is fascinating. Discover its potential to bring balance, courage, and harmony into our lives. Cultures have revered Amazonite for its beauty and spiritual properties. Its name hints at a connection to the Amazon rainforest. This connection underscores the stone's association with nature and vibrant energy. Amazonite's allure extends beyond its visual appeal. It is believed to possess a calming energy that soothes the soul. Many believe Amazonite empowers individuals to communicate their truth with confidence. Amazonite offers a captivating glimpse into the interconnectedness of nature, energy, and the human spirit. Amazonite's story begins deep within the Earth's crust, where intense heat and pressure transform raw minerals into stunning gemstones. This captivating green stone is a variety of microcline, a feldspar mineral known for its unique crystal structure. The vibrant green and blue-green hues that distinguish Amazonite are due to the presence of trace elements, primarily copper. The formation of Amazonite is a testament to the Earth's incredible power and artistry. Over millions of years, molten rock, or magma, slowly cools and solidifies within the Earth's crust. This cooling process allows minerals to crystallize, each with its own unique structure and chemical composition. Amazonite crystals often form in granite pegmatites, which are coarse-grained igneous rocks that solidify in the final stages of magma crystallization. The journey from mine to market is a multi-step process that involves extraction, sorting, cutting, polishing, and distribution. Extracting Amazonite from the earth requires specialized knowledge and equipment. Miners carefully extract the raw crystals from their host rock, taking care to preserve their natural beauty. Once extracted, the rough stones are sorted by size, color, and clarity. Skilled artisans then cut and polish the stones to enhance their brilliance and reveal their intricate patterns. Amazonite is best known for its captivating green color, ranging from pale mint to deep teal. This mesmerizing hue is often described as a blend of blue and green, reminiscent of the tranquil waters of a tropical lagoon. The unique coloration of Amazonite is what sets it apart from other green gemstones. While green is the most common color, Amazonite can also exhibit shades of blue-green, turquoise, and even yellow-green. The intensity of the color can vary depending on the concentration of copper within the crystal structure. Some stones feature a single, uniform color, while others display a captivating interplay of hues, creating a mesmerizing tapestry of color. One of the most distinctive features of Amazonite is its unique pattern. The stone often exhibits white streaks, veins, or patches that contrast beautifully with its green background. These patterns, known as matrix, are formed by the presence of other minerals, such as quartz or feldspar, within the Amazonite crystal. No two pieces of Amazonite are exactly alike, making each stone a unique work of art. Amazonite has long been revered for its purported healing properties, both physically and emotionally. In crystal healing practices, Amazonite is known as the Stone of Courage and the Stone of Truth. It is believed to empower individuals to speak their truth, set healthy boundaries, and stand up for themselves with confidence. Emotionally, Amazonite is thought to soothe the nervous system, promoting a sense of peace and tranquility. It is said to help alleviate stress, anxiety, and fear, allowing individuals to approach challenges with greater ease and clarity. Many believe Amazonite can help balance the emotional body, promoting feelings of self-love, acceptance, and inner harmony. Physically, Amazonite is associated with the throat chakra, which governs communication and self-expression. It is believed to support healthy communication, both verbally and non-verbally. Some crystal healers use Amazonite to help balance the thyroid and metabolism, as well as to alleviate headaches and migraines.